Sino ba kami? For anyone who's wondering where we even are, we did this like mini series long distance version since I'm in Canada and she's in the Philippines. And yeah, this is our first episode. And ano bang pag-uusapan natin? Even remember the first day we actually met? Like, first impression natin sa isa't isa?
Yung isa kong friend is katapat lang ng bahay niyo.
Mm-hmm.
So,
Dapat bahay
sinabi niya
namin.
sa amin.
Yeah.
Tapos, hindi rin ako aware na magiging mag-friends
Yeah.
tayo.
Sobrang
Hindi ko
extroverted
talaga
mo kasi. Tapos naalala ko noon, like, may classmate tayo na in between us. Tapos parang, tinarayan ata kita.
Natatandaan
Bitch, kasi I can see you na nag-smile ka. So I was like, ay, gano'n, new friend. Pero hindi kita kakausapin. Bahala ka dyan.
Nag-usap ba tayo?
We started talking siguro after a few weeks in. Kasi newbie ako, be. Like, wala akong kilala. Tapos parang kinakausap mo ako no, since classmates tayo na parang, hi, may kasama ka pang like mag-lunch or something. Parang gano'n. Tapos tayo nag-start nun. Kaya tayo nag-start nun. Tapos parang inaano mo ako sa group nyo. That's when our friendship actually started eh. Tapos like, naghingi na tayo, ay, anong Facebook mo or like Instagram? Oo, like, what was your... Oo, tapos nag-follow na tayo sa ganun, ay, bestie, may iba kang friendships nun. So, hindi tayo ganun ka-close.
Kasama ko pa nun is yung friend ko from grade 7. And naging, nag-enter ka kasi as transfer during grade 9, di ba?
Grade 9 ako nun, yup.
Ang pinaka natatandaan ko kasi is July talaga tayo.
Shit, girl, ang lamig talaga. So, nakinginig na yung boses ko. Ang lamig na dito. Nilalamig na ang
And
babae.
currently dito, it's 5.
2 a.m. sa amin.
Magsisig.
Sabi mo kanina, like our first date, Valentine's noon.
Valentine's?
Yeah, Valentine's noon.
Napilitan pa yun sa parents mo, Ben.
Kasi yung mga magulang ko po kasi napaka-OA sa pagiging strict. Ikaw lang yung nakapag-oo sa kanila na, sige na, dali mo na nga yung anak ko dyan. So, I don't know. The rest was history, I think.
Bumili ako ng siomay sa inyo.
Oo, we were selling siomay noon. Bitch, naghakot ka pa ng mga customers namin.
Pumayag sila.
Yeah. Oo,
Diba?
tapos naghakot siya ng ibang friends. So,
Yes.
yeah.
Parang ilan ata kami bumili ng 3 or 4.
Ang dami na, like, how many boxes yung in-order niyo sa amin. So, parang,
Oo.
nawinda kami.
Papayagan ka?
Yeah, so right now, mag-almost 9 years na tayo. So, 9 years. So, bakit nga tayo nagpo-podcast right now? First, like, pilot episode, sana hindi tayo ma-cancel. Lahat po ng mga dapat masasabi po dito. Charot. How did we even decide to have a freaking podcast? I don't know.
Parang may time na lang na tara mag-podcast tayo. Ako yung nagyaya.
Parang sabi ko, paano? Like, how would we even do it? Kasi we're from different timelines, different countries. How would you even like achieve in doing something like...
I love listening sa podcast. If you
Same.
know Sky Podcast. I love them.
I've heard of
Yeah.
them.
Siguro hindi ka
listening
masyadong
to
familiar,
podcasts
pero
talaga.
pinapanood ko na kasi sila even before.
Pansinin mo, every time we would have like our FaceTime sessions, which is not every day talaga. Minsan, once a week.
Actually, once a month.
Hindi sobrang constant yung communication namin.
Kasi
Aminin mo.
meron talagang month na hindi tayo nag-usap isang buong.
Oo, because of sobrang busy kasi ng life. Parang one day sabi natin, you know what, fuck it, we're gonna do it. Parang, it's more than just the income. Having your bestie as your, alam mo yung business partner, bongga, hindi mo kaya.
Ipasok na rin natin yung condo natin.
We have a condo, but I think we can talk about it sa ibang episodes. Like, sneak peek lang kayo, guys. And she's right there. Like, she's in our condo na nasa title na namin. So, officially, sa amin na yun.
Officially, sa atin na siya.
Oo.
Pero, syempre, hindi naman kaya natin na isang bagsakan. We're both, ako, student pa, pero working. Ikaw, syempre, hindi pa naman natin kaya talaga magbuo ng ilang million magkano to.
But like magandang investment na yun, no? Wait, ilan yung makikita mong podcast na like LDR version? Di ba? First podcast na makikinig kayo na like ganito yung setup. You know, quality, the audio, especially, like, girl, imagine nasa Zoom meeting kami right now. It's not perfect.
So, ang setup natin, di ba, is for pilot episode, mag-release tayo. This episode will be released on Monday. which is
Yeah.
our very first or official release episode 1 is on February 2.
Mhm. So, please, guys, like, watch out sa episodes namin na yun because we will be really dropping, like, daily. Daily episodes, daily teas for you, dearies. I think that's our episode for today. That's it. I hope you guys actually enjoyed what we even talked about. Like, I
I
don't
know
know.
it's very brief pa lang. Nag-introduce
Mhm.
lang kami, hindi pa super talagang malawak.
Yeah.
Nakilala niyo kami every episode.
Yes. Step by step tayo, guys. Baby steps.
Okay, dearie, si Sarah.
Catch you in the next one. Bye!